So let's see, are you practicing self love or not in your day to day basis? Because many of us know that self love is really important. We always say that I love myself, but does our action align with the true nature or qualities of a self love person? So let's check out. So, first is boundaries. So, someone who is in their self love journey or who loves themselves always keep a very clear boundary and also make sure that they communicate with other person about their boundaries too. So when they feel that something is off or they should not attend some things or they are busy or something like that, they will make sure to say no rather than thinking about should I say it or not. And also they make sure that they keep healthy boundaries in every set of regions. They make sure that others know how much they could do and how much they wouldn't. Okay. Secondly is self-respect. So a self-love person would make sure that others respect them, and they won't tolerate disrespect, criticism, or insult from someone else. When they respect themselves, they will respect their time and energy too. If they feel that someone isn't worth their time or energy, or if someone is talking rubbish to them, they would just cut that person out from their life, or they would just remove that situation, people or place from their life, because they have healthy boundaries. So that was the thing I was talking about in the first one. Third is detachment from validation. Okay. The person who loves themselves won't be running or chasing behind people pleasing or validation or external validation from people. So they wouldn't run behind people's approval or attention, opinions, or just trying to fit them in certain spaces, because they know their worth. And no matter how others see them, they see themselves as someone who is good, worthy, deserving. Fourth is positive self talk. The person who loves themselves would make sure that they always talk positive about them. Okay, no matter how the phases are, how the situation is, or what all mistakes they are doing, they would make sure that they sit with themselves and they are, improving that thing instead of self criticizing or talking rubbish about themselves, because they know that they are a human being. They can make mistake too. Are always flaws and imperfection in everyone, and they see it, also accept it and love it as they are. Okay. Fifth is speaking yourself with kindness. The person who loves themselves would make sure that they speak with themselves with kindness, calmness, and understand what they are feeling right now. Okay, they would sit with themselves, make sure that they're understanding what they are feeling, and also they are comfortable in their own company. Okay, and so is the next point, which is sixth, is spending quality time with themselves. The person who loves themselves would love their own company. They would be ready to sit quietly in spaces and would talk to themselves about what they're feeling, what their thoughts are. They would spend time with themselves daily and would also do daily check-ins, like what is suiting them, what isn't suiting them, and where they should improve in the life, what uplifts them, what drains them. They would all do daily check-ins in order to check where they lack, what they should do. Okay, and the next is keeping promise to yourself. The person who loves themselves would definitely keep the promises to themselves. When they promise that from today onwards, I would eat healthy, or I would do exercises, or I would learn some new skill, they would, set the time, they would show consistency, and they would show up. They would keep their promise. So, this is very important in the self love journey. Then the next point is forgiving yourself. The person who loves themselves would forgive themselves and would not keep grudges, or would not be in a guilty state of mood, because they know that they are human being, they can make mistakes, and they would forgive themselves and move on. The next is they would practice gratitude in their life. Okay, the person who loves themselves would be would know that they should be grateful about what they have in their life, no matter the future circumstances and everything. And lastly, they would take actions that build a healthier life ahead, because the person who loves themselves would also think and take good actions, such as good eating habits, then good lifestyle changes, good sleep routine, so that they have a healthy future and healthy version of themselves. They won't do something that would harm them, or harm them in longer run too. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope this was some of the self-love checklist point. If you want, I can make a part 2 of it too. So do comment me down that thing, and see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.